today guys, we will gonna race with Chilo. Come over here, bitch. You son of a... Let's race.
Racing again?
Just say how much points you can get here. If somebody will win, if Chilo will win, like it, just like this video. If I will win, just do this.
Isbog dito ay? Isbog ba? Dili o, dili ka. Dili ka.
Uy, may tapon, may tapon.
3, 2, ay. Why pa kani? Hello guys. Nag-racing na sila guys. Hello guys. Ang galing ni Ken guys. Hello, magpalibot sila guys. Yan sila mamaya.
Saan?
Guys, magpalibot dito sila guys. Relic! Ah!